Okay, we're in the deli section, obviously, of Fred Meyer's, and it's pretty extensive. But one thing that you're guaranteed if you're looking for gluten-free is boar's head. Everything boar's head is gluten-free, from their hummus to their cheeses and their cold cuts. So if you're at Fred Meyer, or if you're down in the Southwest, Fry's is their other store. You can see right there, gluten-free. Good old boar's head. Also in the deli section, you'll find, of course, prepared foods like chicken, and you'll notice this has milk, egg, soy, and wheat in it. And this does not say gluten-free, the rotisserie chicken, so that's something I would advise people to stay away from unless it's clearly labeled gluten-free. Also in the deli, you'll find, of course, coleslaw and potato salad. In the Kroger brand, if you check, it does say contains eggs and wheat, so that is a no-go for you. Making coleslaw is really simple. So is potato salad, so I just suggest that's something you do yourself. These are Kroger brands, and Fry's and Fred Meyer are part of the Kroger family. Okay folks, we're in produce in Walmart here, and it's pretty busy. I guess I picked a busy day. But they have plenty of stuff that's gluten-free, and as I've discussed in other videos, anything that is not processed is automatically and naturally gluten-free, so feel free to stock up on fresh fruits and veggies. And no, you don't have to be a vegetarian. I'm definitely a meatitarian, but in any case, as long as it's not processed, it should be good to go. Pre-made salads are not a good idea, as we've also discussed in other videos, especially ones that include salad dressing. Like this one here has pita chips in it. That's got seasoning on it. Oops, pita chips, seasoning. So you just don't know what's in it. You're just better off buying the produce and making it yourself. Walmart does carry some Lighthouse dressings though, and pretty much every Lighthouse product is gluten-free. There are a couple that they say are not, but I have not come across them in a store so far. That Thousand Island dressing is excellent. They don't have as big of a selection on Lighthouse dressings here in most Walmarts, but it's still good stuff, and if you need some, they have them pretty well priced here. Produce is also where you'll find the refrigerated drinks, and most naked drinks and the Adwala drinks I have found are labeled to be gluten-free, so you just check the labels as always, and it will say gluten-free on here somewhere. Of course, I pick one that it's hard to find on. That's just the way it goes. Oh, this one might not be. I'm not seeing gluten-free on this protein, so I would stay away from that one. And the strawberry banana, however, will say gluten-free right on it. There we go. Gluten-free. So they've got it labeled. And again, on every product, it's in a different place, and now I can't get it back in. That's funny. Like a lot of other stores, the Harvest Snaps are located either in the snack or the grocery department. I'm sorry. The produce department. And you can see it's not easy to find, but it's labeled gluten-free. So those are great little snacks if you need something. And that's what we've got here in the produce department.